Some rely on luck. We rely on smart digital solutions. That's how your system always wins. With our white label portal, TWINPORTAL, you can set up your portal fast and connect it to your backend step by step. No development needed. Fully customizable and brandable. Logos, colors, and layouts. All adjustable with just a few clicks. This isn't luck. It's fast, reliable, and fully under your control. So why leave it to chance? Be the sure winner and start your digital twin journey today. Starting next year, the Digital Product Passport becomes mandatory for the first industries. So get ready now, come by, grab your chip, and test your luck anyway.